Hey guys, it's Justin and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I thought it'd be fun to give you guys an update on my wallet video. I know a lot of people like this what's in my wallet video, so I thought I'd give you guys, I guess, a second episode of what's now in my wallet and what I keep around with me. Previous one, I showed you guys this wallet. I think it's the Louis Vuitton something wallet. I'm not quite sure. Got this at the boutique store at New York Times Square, but what I've noticed is there is a lot of card holders, and I think this was like a limited edition one. They don't sell this one anymore, and it's really nice. I think I spent like $700, but I think I'm gonna sell this one just because I'm sick and tired of holding such a big wallet, and I just thought, you know what? I need to go somewhere slim. Got a lot of space for your cash, your cards, and the sides and stuff like that, but it's just way too bulky and unnecessary. Like, it would just fill up my whole back pocket, and it was just like, no, I don't need it anymore. So I went a different route, and I got actually a really slim case. So I'll show you guys my new wallet. It's not really a wallet, actually. It's actually a card holder. That's what they call it. It's from Bellroy. It's supposed to hold up to 20 business cards. But what's convenient is I actually had this, and I also had another little card holder thing like this that held my business cards, and I was just like, this is just too much. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's so thick, and I just didn't even want to keep that in my pocket anymore, and it was just so inconvenient. So instead, I got this one. It's only $70, which is really cheap and really affordable. It's really good leather. I've had it for about 3-4 months now, and it's like perfect. I can fit it in my front pockets anywhere I go. So it's really great. But on the side right here, one of the sides, it holds my business cards, and it also holds my real estate license. And on the other side is where the fun starts. In the other slots, I've got this new card. I had to block it off with all this tape so that you guys don't steal my identity and stuff. But I'm really excited to show you guys this is the American Express Platinum card, and I'm not going to tell you guys I know everything about this card, so I have it pulled up right here. So I'll tell you guys what it's all about. The only thing that sucks about this card is it does have an annual fee, and I think it's one of the biggest annual fees. It's $695 a month. But hear me out, guys. The points and stuff adds up. So this card had a welcome bonus, 100,000 points if you spend $6,000 or more in the first 6 months, which is really affordable. That means you only have to spend $1,000 a month, and that's basically a mortgage payment or a car payment with insurance. Like, just put everything on this card, and you're set and done, and you get 100,000 points. On top of that, let's see, you earn 10x points on restaurants, which is really perfect. So that means if you spend $100, you get 10 times the points. American Express points are not as good as Chase points, so that is a little factor, but they do still give you points up to $25,000. And the APR for this credit card is not that bad. I got approved for 15.99%, which is the lowest you can get, but it goes all the way up to 22.99%. But in credit card terms, that is pretty affordable down there if you have credit card debt. I don't use this as a credit card debt thing, but I just use it for a lot of the points. And another cool feature about this is it's metal. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I'll drop it and see if you guys can hear it. They put some plastic. I think after COVID, they decided to redo this card, so it's not all fully metal anymore, which is sort of sad, and I wish I got the all metal one, but it does have some metal in it, I'm pretty sure. Other than that, you know, you have 5x member reward points when you book through American Express, $300 in Equinox credit. If you have an Equinox around you, the gym, I know it's pretty pricey. I'm here in Atlanta, so there is no Equinox, so I don't use that benefit. $179 in Clear credit. I don't know if you guys travel enough, but Clear is basically like, it's that machine at the airport where you basically put your eye and stuff like that, and then you move through security a little faster. There is a fee for it, but they give you $179 in credits. Cell phone protection. If you do buy your phone off with this card, you got complimentary access to all the lounges, all the Centurion lounges, which is the biggest benefit of this card. On top of that, if you fly with Delta, Sky Lounge, I think is what it's called, you do pay a $40 fee instead of like that $130 if you want to get access into it. And I also think they just changed it to where you can't even get in if you don't have this one specifically, or their Sky Mile card, or their membership or something like that. Also have $200 in Uber Cash every single year, which is basically like you can use it for Uber Eats or Uber, depending on what you like. You do also get a $100 SAC credit, SAC Fifth Avenue. If you do shop there, they do give you $100 in statement every single year. It's $50 for every 6 months, and then $50 for the other 6 months. So if you do shop there, you do get a $100 benefit. And there's so many other things. Oh, they also do give you a $200 air flight credit thing. So like, let's say you have a baggage fee, you can use that $200 for that baggage fee, or if you want to go buy food in the airport, that $200 does apply. So this one's really great for that. This is pretty much a all exclusive travel card. So if you do travel a lot, this is the card to get, and it's just so nice to know that it's quality. You know, you do pay $700, but it does add up. Well, it pays for itself if you do travel. The next one is this my business card, which is the Chase Business Preferred Ink card. I've shown you guys this on the previous one, and I actually don't know all the benefits, so give me 1 second. I had it pulled it up right here. I've noticed that this card isn't the best card, but it does give you a lot of points if you do like shipping purchases, internet, cable, stuff like that, social media. That one's really great. And I think travel. I think those are the 4 things that this card is really good at if you have a business. Now this one is for my real estate and also my Airbnb business. So this one basically does all my expenses for that business. You earn a $100,000 bonus point after you spend $15,000 on purchasing for the first 3 months, which is basically, I think, 8. If I can do math. Actually, I can't do the math. $15,000, which is $5,000. Oh, I could have done it in my head. $5,000 every single month in expenses. This card gets you $100,000 bonus points, which I believe is equivalent to, when I got it, $1,200 in travel credits. Now, if you choose to do it like a gift card or for cash, it does go down, I think, significantly. But if you do decide to travel with this card for business expenses, then they give you $1,200-ish of travel credit benefits. Also on top of that, let me see. Other than that, there's not really that much. I know this one has a no foreign transaction fee. So if you are in, let's say, Korea and you have to pay, there is no foreign transaction fee. Obviously, you get the 25% more in travel redemption that I told you guys. And this is the ratio 1-to-1 point transfer, which I totally don't know what that means, but that's what it says. So it does that. And also there's a lot of benefits to this card, especially if you're talking about like protection plans. This one has fraud protection. So by any chance, if you do get a fraud transaction on your fee, I think they cancel it on this card immediately. Zero liability protection, extended warranty protection, auto rental collision warranty protection, purchase protection, and travel and emergency assistance services. So basically all this card does, oh, and also this card has a $95 annual fee, by the way. But this is more like if by any chance, you know, you have a business where, let's say you have to travel a little bit, you do a lot of social media ads, and you want to add protection to keep yourself from liabilities, this is the card to go. I just realized that this card is not the best. I've had this card for about 2-3 years now. It's not the best business credit card, but I still use it just because I still have it with me. So this is the card that I use for my Airbnb and my real estate expense card. Next one I have is this American Express Business Cash, which basically I showed you guys in the other video too, but this one is for my tennis business that I currently own and run. This one is a $0 annual fee, which I love because I don't like paying annual fees, but this one is basically a simple credit card. It does give you a $250 cashback that I believe I got after you make $3,000 in purchases in the first 3 months. So basically, as long as you spend $1,000 every single month for the next 3 months, since you get the card, you'll get $250 back, which I thought it was a good benefit when I got it. But it's been like my go-to card for everything for my tennis stuff. I don't have a lot of expenses for my tennis business, which is why I hold this one with no annual fees. It's 2% cashback on every purchases up to $50,000. I don't have an expense of up to $50,000 on this card, so it's pretty great. You get 2% cash back, and then after your $50,000, it's 1% cash back on everything. I had no idea, but this card also has a car rental loss and damage insurance, which I had no clue, but it does. And it also has a global assistant hotspot, which I have no clue what that is. So if you want to do the research, you can go for that. Extended warranty, purchase protection, and American Express experiences, which I don't even use any of those, so it's just good to know that you have it. And then the last card that I have in my wallet, I try to keep it as minimalistic as possible because I don't want to carry around like 7-8 other cards. But this is the new card that actually Bank of America sent me. To be honest, it's actually my first credit card that I got, and I only use this to purchase gas with because I get 3% back on gas. Now you can like change up the 3% thing where like you can do it for like shopping or for groceries or whatever you like, but this one's like my go-to card for gas. And actually, this is the new card that they just sent me. They sent me this because I'm their preferred something. It says preferred back here, but it's like preferred awards. I think you have to have a certain amount of money into your accounts. I'm trying to read. Basically, it says to become a preferred rewards member, you will need an active, eligible Bank of America checking account, of course, a 3 months combined average daily balance of $20,000 or more in qualifying Bank of America deposit accounts or Merrill investment accounts. So I guess you can still get this card, but you just won't be in the preferred rewards section, I guess. Unless you have daily average balance of $20,000 or more for 3 months. There's the gold tier, the platinum tier, and the platinum honor. From what I know is, I think gold tier is $20,000 to $50,000 in your accounts. And once you have $50,000 to $100,000, it is platinum, and then $100,000 to I guess $1 million is platinum honors. But that doesn't qualify you to get this. You just get more benefits, I guess. I don't use these benefits, but from what they say, if you are gold trim, 5% interest rate booster for your savings account, 25% reward bonus. So I guess you get 25% more on this card. I had no clue, so maybe I should use this card more often. An ATM transaction. There's no fee for ATM transactions. 0.05% program fee discount for Merrill Edge if you use that for your Roth IRA. Mortgage. $200 deduction in ordination fee. It's not that much, but you know, it is $200. A 0.125% interest rate discount for home equity line of credits, which is perfect if you do a HELOC. Auto loans are 0.25% discount interest rate. So if you got an interest rate of, let's say, 1.99%, then it goes down to 1.74. So you know, that adds up. And then there is no fee for select banking services. Now that all goes up if you go to platinum and then platinum honors or whatever that is. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys like my wallet. I would love to know what you guys hold in your wallets. And if there's anything else that's like really cool that you guys can show me about your wallets, that would be great. Put it in the comment section below, because I'm always adding onto my wallets and I love knowing the benefits and stuff like that. With that being said, guys, those are my essential. I just have 4 credit cards, 2 personal, 2 business. My license is also here, my driver's license, but I also have my real estate license with I have 5 business cards that I usually hold on to. I think I can hold up to 10. I just don't like it bulky, so I only hold on to 4 or 5, and then I have some cash. And I think that's basically what everyone needs. Now, I don't think you need 4 unless you have a lot of businesses. I know a lot of friends that hold on to like 10 cards. But this is just essential to me, and this does the work for me. So if you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, put in the comment section below what you guys hold on to your wallets, and I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Peace.